Hey guys, Matthew Letendre here. Welcome to my next video. In this video, I'm going to talk about the Exitus Elite products and what you get with them. I was actually just going through some of the training, and there's a lot of stuff in there. I was going over. They even have stuff on TikTok on how to market stuff on TikTok, whether it's your online business and everything. And it's actually pretty interesting. There's a lot of really good training, even at the G100 level. I mean, it's a lot of good content in there. And so how the products work is there are 5 products. You got the G100, the G250, the G500, the G1000, which I came into, and then the G2000. And all those numbers are basically the commissions that you can make off of those products. So what you'll do is, when you come into Exitus Elite, you're going to pay the admin fee, and then you pay me my commission. So Exitus Elite never holds our money, which I like, because if Exitus Elite were corrupt, they could do shady things with our money, or say, oh, we're closing down, we can't pay you guys. And I've been in a situation like that before. But with Exitus Elite, we pay each other our commissions. So whatever the admin fee is, that pays for the product, that goes to the company, that pays for all the high quality material they give us and the training. And because they got to pay the people that do the trainings, because it's their content. So that's why we have the admin fees. And then we pay each other, and we get paid 100% instant commissions. I'm going to do another video pretty soon where I'm actually going to show you what you get inside each product, so you can get an idea of what you're getting. But it's all quality training. It really is. And I came in at the G1000 level, and what happened was all the lower products unlocked for me. So it's a really good, it really is a great company, and I'm going to stick with them for a long time. I just can't see anything out there that I might join. There might be one thing, but I haven't decided yet. Right now I'm just focusing on Exitus Elite. There are a few affiliate tools I might promote to you guys as a means of getting more leads and sales into your business, but Exitus Elite as a business is my front end business right now, and it's probably going to be for many years ahead. So I really love Exitus Elite. It's been around for 7 years. We have a great owner in Paul Stevenson, and all I can say is everything about Exitus Elite is quality. And yeah, but like even at the lower levels, the training is pretty good. To get back to the G1000, which I came into, that is what they call their most popular product. There's a 90% of the people that come into Exitus Elite come in at the G1000, and it makes sense. You want to make as much profit as you can in your business. Would you want to make just $100 commissions, or would you like to have the possibility of making $100 commissions, $250 commissions, $500 commissions, and the $1,000 commissions? So you're positioning yourself to make more profit in your business is essentially what you're doing. But I understand that not everyone can come in at that level. But the cool thing about Exitus Elite is when you upgrade to the next product, you only pay the difference for what you already purchased. So I'll give you an example. I came in at the G1000. If I wanted to upgrade to the G2000, all I would have to pay is $1,000 and $100 to the admin fee. So it's discounted to the for the admin fee and the commission. So you don't even have to pay the full price for the product. So anyways, that's the Exitus Lead products. That's how they work. And if you have any questions, feel free to, you can call me. I make it very easy for people to connect with me, but not many people ever do. But I'm gonna keep saying it, and I'm gonna keep saying it in all my videos. You can call me. I can help you. But and if you don't want to call me over the phone, you can also call me through Facebook Messenger. There's a phone icon in the app where you can just call me like a regular telephone call. As long as you have internet access, you can do it. So that's how you can contact me. You can also send me a friend request. All my contact information, including my Facebook link, is in the description below. You can send me a friend request, and we can connect that way as well. Look, I want you guys to succeed. I want all of you guys to succeed. Now, will everyone that comes into the business succeed? Not everyone will, because there are some people that aren't willing to work and do what it takes to learn and to get better. But Exitus Lead definitely brings in a lot of people that do work because of the high quality of the opportunity itself. It does bring in quality people, especially if you're coming in at the G1000 level. The people that join that are really serious people, and that's really what I'm looking for. I'm looking for people that are going to take it seriously. And if you already have in your mind that this is a scam in your mind, don't join, because it's not a scam. It's been around for over 7 years, and if you have that negative mentality, it's not going to help you in your business. It really won't. So anyways, whatever level you come in at, let me know. I will definitely call me. I definitely welcome people to call me before they start, because I'd like to talk to you even before you start. But if you sign up and you do everything and you call me afterwards, that's fine too. But so that is the Exitus Lead products. I'm gonna do another video where I'm actually gonna show you what you get inside the products, and there's a lot of great training in there. So and if you come in at the higher levels, you're going to start learning from six-figure earners as well. There's, at the G1000 level, there's about, I think, 20 to 25 people that have been successful in online business and have created a six-figure to seven-figure income online. There's interviews with all of them, and you learn all their secrets on how they got to where they've been. And they got there because they never gave up. They were dedicated, and that's how they got to where they were. So anyways, if you like this video, please hit the like button and hit that notification bell and the subscribe button below to subscribe to my channel, and you'll get notified when I upload new content. And I will see you guys all in the next video. Bye.